Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So this is my amazing CVS haul for this week. Everything was completely free, but this was a major headache transaction. So stay tuned. I'm gonna break everything down for you and show you what to pick up. Okay guys, so Revlon is spend $15 get $4 back. I'm picking up 6 of the Kiss Balm, and at my store it's $5.49. So for 6 of them it's going to be $32.94. I have a 5 off of 25 CRT and a $3 CRT. I'm going to use 6 of these $3 coupons. I should pay $6.94, getting $8 back, making it free, and a $1.06 moneymaker. This also tracks towards beauty, so I'll get a $3 beauty buck in 48 hours, making it free, and a $4.06 moneymaker. Okay guys, so L'Oreal spent $30 get $10 back. I am picking up one of the Age Perfect Hydration at $21.49 and one of the Gentle Cleanser at $8.29. So for both products it's gonna be $29.78. I have 2 $6 CRT and a 5 off of 15. I'm gonna use a $2 digital for this one right here and a $4 digital for this one right here, which is gonna bring the final cost down to $6.78. I'll get $10 back, making it free, and a $3.22 moneymaker. I also spent $30 in beauty, so I'll get another $3 in 48 hours, making it free, and a $6.22 moneymaker, which is amazing. And my mom loved this line, so every time I can buy this, I pick it up for her. Okay, I'm picking up 2 of the Cetaphil facial wipes at $8.49. That's going to be $16.98. I have a 3 off of 15 facial care CRT. I also have a 5 off of 2 Cetaphil facial care. And I'm going to use one of the 6 off of 2 manufacturer's coupon. That's $14 in coupons. I'm going to pay $2.98. There's nothing back associated with this, but this tracks towards beauty. So we have about $1.50 tracking towards beauty. Okay, the next thing I'm picking up is 2 of the Eucerin products. It's spend $20, get $10 back. I picked up one of the baby washes and it's $9.79. I also picked up one of the intensive repair lotion at $12.49. So for both products is $22.28. I have a 2 off of 12 lotion CRT and a $2 manufacturer's coupon. I also have a 2 off of 8 baby CRT, and I'm going to use this $2 paper coupon. So I'll pay $14.28. I'll get $10 back, making it $4.28. But this tracks towards beauty, so I have $2 tracking for beauty for this product. Okay guys, so soft soap and Iris Spring is $3.99. Buy one, get a $2 extra care back. I am picking up these 2. That's going to be $7.98. I have a 2 off of 2 CRT, a $1 digital, and I'm going to use this $1 paper coupon. That's going to take $4 off. I'll pay $3.98 and I'll get $4 back, making them completely free. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of these Tone body wash. It's $2.99. Buy one, get one 40% off. So for 2, it's going to be $4.78. I'm going to use this 2 off of 2 coupon. I'm going to pay $2.78 and I'll get $2 back, making it just 78 cents for 2. Okay guys, so this is my cereal deal. I am picking up 12 boxes at $1.99. It's spend $20, get $5 back. So 12 of these at $1.99, it's going to be $24.89. I have 3 2 off of 8 CRTs. There's 2 $1 digital, 1 off of 2. And I have a bunch of these. So I don't know if they're gonna work, but it's $1 off of 1 box. This is also $1 off of 1 box. So I'm gonna use 5 of the pink ones, 5 of the yellow ones. That's gonna take $10 off. The 2 off of 8 3 times is going to take $6 off, and hopefully the 2 $1 digitals come off as well. I'll pay $5.88. I'll get $5 back, making all 12 boxes just 88 cents. So fingers crossed. Let's hope this works. And yeah, I'll have a lot of cereal to donate. Okay guys, so in short is buy 2 get $5 back. I am picking up 4 at $8.99. That's going to be $35.96. Now I'm going to use 2 of these 5 off of 2 paper coupons. I also have 2 5 off of 2 digital coupons. I have a 5 off of 25 protein CRT, and I have a $7.50 off of 4 Ensure. So after all of the coupons come off, that's $27.50. I'll pay $8.46 and I'll get $5 back, making all 4 just $3.46. Okay, so I am picking up 2 of the hauls. It's 2 for $4. When you purchase 2, you get a $1 extra care buck. So $4. And I'm going to use 2 of these $1.50 off coupons from coupons.com. That's going to take $3 off. I'm going to pay $1. I'll get $1 back, making both packs completely free. Okay guys, so I am picking up 2 of the Edge Shave Gel, and it's 2 for $6. Purchase 2, get a $2 extra care buck. I'm going to use 1 of these $1 coupons and a $1 digital. I'm going to pay $4. I'll get $2 back, and I'm going to get $2 back on Ibotta, making them completely free. Okay, for the spend 20, get $5 back, I am picking up 3 of the Pantene at 3 for $15 and 1 of the Downy for $4.94. That's $19.94. I'm going to use this 5 off of 3 manufacturer's coupon. There's also a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I'm going to use this $3 off of 1 Downy for the Unstoppables. I have a 2 off of 12 CRT for Pantene. I'm going to pay $4.94, getting $5 back, making it completely free. Okay, so the next thing we're picking up is 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh at my store. This is what I'm getting because everything else is basically gone. So both of these right here, it's 2 for $7.98. There's a digital coupon for $7.98, which makes it completely free. So pick up your 2 free toothpaste this week. Okay guys, so I am picking up 4 of these Oral-B right here. It's $4.99 for 1. Purchase 2, get a $4 extra care buck. I am picking up 4 at $4.99. That's going to be $19.96. I have a 5 off of 20 Oral-B CRT, and I'm going to use 4 of these $2 coupons. I'm going to pay $6.96, and I'm going to get $8 back, making it free and a $1.04 moneymaker. Okay guys, so shake is spend 15, get $5 back. I'm picking up 1 of the disposable razors at $5.99, and 1 of the men's razors has $8.99. This coupon does not work, so don't use that. That's $14.98. I have a $4 digital for the razor, and I use this $3 one for the men's razor. I also have a 3 off of the Chic men's CRT. So I'll pay $4.98, getting $5 back, making it completely free. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 5 of these Hallmark bags at 49 cents. And 1 of these bags, it's so pretty, like the camera does not do justice, and it's $3.49. So for all 6 is going to be $5.94. I have 2 $3 CRTs, which will make them completely free. Okay guys, so the Ajax is right here. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 get a $2 extra care back. I am picking up 2 at my store. It's $2.89 for 1. The other one is going to be $1.44. That's going to be $4.33. I'm going to use 2 of these 50% off coupons. That's going to take off $1. I'll pay $3.33. I'll get $2 back, making it $1.33 for 2. All right, I'm ready.
I don't know if I am. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Every time I'm like, oh, pins and needles, man.
Okay, so we'll see. I know I gotta override the Hallmark, which is always. Okay guys, so I had to do a voiceover because here you can see I had over $200 worth of products. Everything was going smooth, all of my coupons scanned, everything was coming off as expected until the dreadful screen appeared. So it started going good, but the computer broke, and yeah, so you'll see that screen in a second. It started slowing down, and we realized that some of the coupons are not coming off. Okay guys, so this is the second time I broke CVS computer. Yeah, I would put him on the screen, but I would not show his face. My manager, I'll show you his body language though. He's laughing so hard. Okay guys, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so unfortunately, everything you see here, except for the cereal, the Halls, 2 of the Tone, and 2 of the toothpaste will be going back to CVS. Unfortunately, while I was paying, something went on with the register and it like completely blacked out. So it showed that I paid, the money came out of my account. Nothing printed. The computer restarted and showed a bunch of black stuff, and I recorded that as well. So my manager told me come back today for a reprint of the receipt and yada yada yada. So I checked my CVS account. None of my extra bucks or my CRTs, everything is still there. So technically none of this stuff is paid for, well, besides the cereal, because I did that one in a separate transaction. So I'm not that type of person to keep the stuff that I did not pay for. I will be returning everything today except the cereal again. So a lot of my CRTs expired yesterday. That's why I go on Tuesdays. So I would not be able to repurchase a lot of these items due to my CRTs expiring. So yeah, unfortunately, as much as I love free stuff, I cannot keep this because that's just not in me. So everything will be going back, but the cereal, 2 of the Halls and 2 of the Colgate. So let me show you that cereal receipt. Well, let me show you this receipt for the, I did 2 of the Halls, the 2 Colgate, and 2 of the Tone. I used that 2 off of 2 Tone coupon, 150 off of the Halls, the Colgate, and I used a $4 extra buck. It came down to 0, and I got back $2 for the Tone and $1 for the Halls. So that was $1 for that transaction. The next thing is, this is the cereal. I picked up 12 boxes, and like I mentioned, everything came off perfectly fine. This is the 10 of the $1 off of 1 coupons. The 2 $1 ones came off as well. I had 3 of the 2 off of 8 CRTs. I used a $5 extra buck. I paid 88 cents. And I got my $5 back, which made all 12 boxes just 88 cents. So guys, unfortunately, it will be going back to the store. But if you have these CRTs, you can follow these deals, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So I am returning the stuff that was not paid for and repurchasing everything. So the computer has gone crazy. So my manager is redoing everything right now. I'm hopping back on to let you know, when I went back to the store, I inserted a clip. My manager, oh my God, I just noticed my kids splashed water everywhere with this dang balloon thing. I purchased them. Anyway, and this keto stuff right here, that's my penny items from Dollar General. So I initially was going to just take everything back that was not paid for, because a lot of my CRTs expired yesterday, which is Tuesday. They are awesome. What they did was, the amount I had everything screenshotted. So whatever I told them that I had that did not come off for today, my CRTs that expired yesterday, they went ahead and adjusted the price or printed me extra bucks from one computer to pay for the products while I was paying. So again, everything was completely free and a huge moneymaker. So I can't tell you guys how much they've printed me, but everything here was free and over a $40 moneymaker. Like, they are so amazing. They're trying to compensate for their inconvenience, but I feel like I inconvenienced them because I shut down the computer and we just did a bunch of smaller transactions, working out the pricing and everything that I had. But again, they are amazing. Also subscribe to my channel so I know they're watching. This is amazing. So it might not work out for you the way mine did, but I included the deals. If you have those coupons, absolutely, you can go do some of these deals. So again, I didn't take them out of the bags. Also, this was 99 cents. So I picked up 4 of these. When I went today, I sold them for 99 cents. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.